How to control another computer using a Google account. Almost everyone has a Google account, and so you can use your Google account to connect to another computer remotely. Follow these steps. Here I have a desktop computer and a laptop. I use the laptop to connect to the desktop computer remotely using a Google account. On the desktop computer, follow these steps. Chrome Remote Desktop. Remote Desktop Google. You use this application to share your screen. Share my screen. Install app. Install. Installed. Chrome Remote Desktop. Share my screen. Enter your Google account, email or phone. Enter your password. Two-factor authentication. Ensure security by using two-factor authentication. Share this screen. Download. Extensions. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Continue. Close. Downloads. Accept and install. Chrome Remote Desktop Host. Install. Installed. Share this screen. Generate code. Complete setup on the target computer. This code will expire in 5 minutes. Complete setup on the desktop. Next, I use the laptop to connect to the desktop. On another computer, follow these steps. On this computer, I install the Chrome Remote Desktop application, just like on the desktop. Remote support. Connect to another computer. Enter the code on the target computer. Enter the code on the desktop. Connect. On the desktop, click Share. Complete controlling another computer with your Google account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.